we're here thanks to Duncan, who is getting rid of this 16 kilowatt Generac, and we're attempting to free it from the base so that way we can, what are we doing with this? We can
figure out how to lift it.
Yeah, figure out how to lift 450 pounds and put it in a 4-pound bag. Alright, that wasn't too terrible. Here's the first bolt. You want to use this? Oh, that would be great, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Generous.
Paid product placement.
Unpaid product placement, maybe. Alright, so can we get a close up of this? So over here we have the concrete slab and the polyethylene, like a stand of sorts to keep it off the ground, and it's attached with these 13mm bolts. What we're trying to do is free it from the base so we can lift it with our engine hoist. Alright, second hold. Oh, whoops. There we go. Here's the generator. It's 445 pounds in its prime. It's probably a little less than that because of all the corrosion. Now over here in the bottom, the support plate is a little bit rusted out. What we're going to try to do is we're going to keep the main hoisting load over the engine, which should be a majority of the weight, and we're going to use the back end of the plate to try and balance it and hope it works. We're going to do a first test to see if we can lift it off the plate. Alright, so we got an engine hoist set at a 1/4 ton, 500 pounds. We're going to try and lift the corner to see if it's tethered to anything else and if anything else needs doing. Alright, we have lift off. Something is catching.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming.
Something's catching underneath, so we got to figure out what it is before we go any further. Alright, it's free. Let me check the back side. Oh, it's caught on this screw right here. It's on plastic, so I'm just going to knock it out of the way. Okay, great. Alright, evidence of David doing the heavy lifting.
Very important to balance out the load here.
Yes, something about the load.
You got it.
You're lifting 500 pounds.
Careful, careful, careful. Alright, I need to get back in. Action.
Alright, so we lifted up this beast, got it resting on this plywood and on the metal legs here of the hoist. Brought it out here and faced it toward the pickup truck where it's going to go in. Now the problem is we've got to lift it up high enough to clear the tailgate. So to do that, we're probably going to have to shorten up these chains so we can lift it high enough, and hopefully this will go high enough to be able to clear the tailgate. We can push it in.
Excellent.